Welcome back and thank you for being tuned in to Times Now. The Congress convention in Ahmedabad is a huddle to chart the future course of the party and to find a way to bring its hurting fortunes back on track. But it looks like it is in no mood to learn its lessons from the mistakes of the past. In fact, one of them being leaders that shoot from the hip and comments that hurt the grand old party and benefit the opponents instead. Let's give you the latest example of what was on display at the CWC meeting. The Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy targeted the BJP and Prime Minister Modi. Now, there's nothing unexpected about that, but let's tell you what he said and why there are so many questions around it. He went on to call Modi's family the killer of Mahatma Gandhi. Don't believe it? Listen in.
30 साल अंग्रेजियों के खिलाफ गांधी जी ने लड़ाई किए, दंडी सत्याग्रह किए, बहुत सारे आंदोलन किए अंग्रेजियों के खिलाफ गांधी जी ने, मगर कभी भी अंग्रेजी वाले ने गांधी जी के खिलाफ गांधी जी के ऊपर लाठी नहीं चलाए। मगर आजादी मिलने के बाद गाडसे के परिवार गांधी जी को 6 महीने भी बर्दाश्त नहीं किए। आजादी मिलते ही गाडसे परिवार ने, मोदी जी परिवार ने गांधी के ऊपर गोली चलाए, गांधी के हत्या किए। अंग्रेजों से भी ये बीजेपी वाले बहुत खतरे के लोग हैं, इसीलिए अंग्रेजी वालों को जैसा भगाया इस देश से, अभी बीजेपी को भी वैसे ही हराना है।
Sabyasachi, this was a convention where the Congress party wanted to rechart its plans to revive the fortunes of the party, but unfortunately it turned to not just attacking the BJP but also inexplicably Revanth Reddy going on to in fact say that it was the Prime Minister's family, Modi's family, that is the killer of Mahatma Gandhi.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy said that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is doing the work of Mahatma Gandhi, whereas contrary to that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing the work of Nathuram Godse. In fact, it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's family, referring to the Godse family that has killed Mahatma Gandhi. In fact, Revanth Reddy also pointed out that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is holding Bharat Jodo Yatra in the country to unite every single citizen of the country, whereas the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is bringing in 3 farm laws without consultation with the farmers, and several such examples were put out by Mr. Revanth Reddy. So it's very unfortunate that such remark has been coming in from Revanth Reddy, because in the past Revanth Reddy in fact have congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi not only once but in several occasions for the work that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done towards the country. And this particular criticism coming in from Revanth Reddy, where he says that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is doing the work of Nathuram Godse in the country, that is to divide every single community in the country, divide and rule policy. In fact, he also pointed out that how Mahatma Gandhi was safe from the British rule despite leading several campaigns against the Britishers, but only after 6 months of independence he was not being tolerated by the intolerant Nathuram Godse, and that's why Mahatma Gandhi was killed. So such remark has come in from Telangana CM Revanth Reddy.
And it has led to some controversy as well, with many asking, are no lessons learnt? In fact, the BJP has also hit back at the Congress party, accusing it of killing Gandhiji's ideals and ideas every day.
यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान बन चुकी है कि संवैधानिक पदों का ही अपमान नहीं, बल्कि संवैधानिक पदों पर बैठने वाले ओबीसी समाज से आने वाले प्रधानमंत्री के दिवंगत माता पिता का भी अपमान। रेवांत रेड्डी बोलते हैं कि मोदी के परिवार ने महात्मा गांधी को मारा, पर रेवांत रेड्डी जी, यदि आपको गोडसे हर जगह दिखाई दे रहा है तो सबसे पहले आप अपनी मध्य प्रदेश कांग्रेस में देखिए, वहां पर सबसे परम गोडसे भक्त, गोडसे का मंदिर बनाने वाला बाबूलाल चौरसिया आपकी पार्टी में है। और गोडसे ने तो गोलियां मारी महात्मा गांधी को, महात्मा गांधी के विचारों को हर रोज अगर किसी ने मारा तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने।
Mohit Bhatt is also on the broadcast with us with the details of the BJP's response to it. Well, Mohit, BJP has responded saying it is the Congress party that is killing Gandhiji's ideals and ideas every day. This is a convention that had been called for the Congress party to chart out new ideas, but it's garnering controversy for all the wrong reasons.
Well, in fact, Pratibha, that is what the BJP is saying. BJP is saying that the Congress party, no matter how much they try, but in the end, whatever they do at the convention, they resort to abuse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And perhaps that is why we have seen host of BJP spokesperson leaders coming out and attacking Revanth Reddy and the Congress party, saying that you are insulting somebody who is sitting on a constitutional post, who is the Prime Minister of the country. And in fact, BJP goes on to say that this is an insult of the OBC Prime Minister. Now, BJP also goes on to say that Congress party is killing the values and the ideas of Gandhi. So clearly a massive controversy has erupted after the statement coming in from Revanth Reddy, where he clearly stated that the Modi clan killed Gandhi and he linked Godse to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And perhaps that is why we see massive political war of words happening between the BJP and the Congress party. And the BJP also goes on to say that the Congress party has been resorting to abuse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from past many years. They called him Chaiwala, they called him various other things, they abused him, they abused his family too. And perhaps that is why the BJP says that that is under the DNA of the Congress party, that they come out, they abuse Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because electorally they know that they cannot defeat Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP. So we have to wait and watch how will the Congress party now reply to all these attacks that are coming in from the BJP. Back to you.
All right. Mohit and Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details.